Hi everybody, welcome to Wheelhouse Wednesday. I'm just here at the shop. I've been doing some disassembly of some Detroits. So I've got the bucket of bolts, I've got camshafts and cylinder heads, I've got more cylinder heads, I've got more camshafts over there, got flywheels, injectors, I got the PTO mounting plates there for all of the accessory drive stuff. Let's see here, what else have I got? There's those other camshafts. I got the superchargers off the motors, lots and lots of superchargers. There's 2 per engine. I got lifters over here, valve covers, water pumps, heat exchanger end plates, starters. Oh man, I've got so much green right now. And then I'll show you outside. Let's see here. Got all of the bolt-on parts on the outside here. This is actually one of the cylinder liners, but not going to be doing much with those. Got my 2 gearboxes here, 1 and 2. And then, of course, Porsche and Stella 1.0 sitting under the covers. They've all been stripped down. So we're down to just the pistons here. Trying to keep the rain off them as best I can. And then we got the other ones. Still have to pull. Oh, look at that. Look at all the water. Still have to pull the oil coolers off of here. I got some water in that cylinder too, but this is, quite honestly, I'll probably end up just sending these to salvage once I get the oil coolers off. It's going to be a lot more headache for little reward to go much further here, so I'm thinking we might just stop at this point. What do you guys think? Basically, the only thing that would be left that I could salvage out of that was, oil pan stuff, crankshaft and rods would be pretty much it. So I really don't know if it's worth it or not. Other than that, repaired a freshwater pump today. Our pressure pump had died on the boat, so I've got that all sorted now. So I'm just going to go meet Janice and Izzy at the dock, and we're going to head out to the boat, and I'm going to get that reinstalled so we can have fresh water again, because it's been a couple of days now, or did it just fail yesterday? Feels like forever, but I think it's only been like a day. So yeah, we'll see you guys next Wednesday.